Saving money with the Commonwealth Bank can be streamlined through several effective strategies. Number one, use high interest savings accounts. Now open a high interest savings account to maximize your savings. Commonwealth Bank offers options with competitive rates which can help grow your money faster. Okay, so number two, set up automatic transfers. Automate your savings by setting up regular transfers from your checking account to your savings account. All right? This ensures that you save consistently without having to think about it. Number three, utilize the goal tracker. So use the bank's goal tracker feature in the app to set specific savings goals and monitor your progress. This can help keep you motivated and focused. Number four, take advantage of discounts and offers. Keep an eye on promotions and cashback offers available through Commonwealth Bank, especially when using your debit or your credit card. All right? Now, number five, reduce fees. Avoid unnecessary fees by maintaining the required balance in your account or using fee-free ATMs. Check for any account features that can help you save on fees. Number six, utilize budgeting tools. Use the budgeting tools available in the app to track your spending and find areas where you can cut back. By applying these strategies, you can effectively save money while making the most of your Commonwealth Bank account. All right?